Hi students, this session is for class 7 subject mathematics chapter 11 properties of triangles topic angle sum property. Topics covered in this session are medians of a triangle, altitudes of a triangle, angle sum property of triangle. Real life examples for triangle. Chips which is in triangle shape, traffic signal, okay, this also in triangle shape. Look at the bridge. There we can see triangle shape. These are some of the examples. Triangles. Triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. This is the triangle, this is the first side, and this one is second side, and this is the third side. Triangle has 3 vertices. When 2 lines meet at a point, that point is called as vertex. Okay, here A, B and C are vertices. Triangle has 3 angles. Angles is formed when 2 rays or line segments meet at a common point. This is the point, and we have here one of the angle, another angle here and another angle here. Therefore, 3 angles are formed. Triangles are classified by its side and also by its angle. Now, let us see the triangles classified by its side. Equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides, which means all the sides are in equal measure. Isosceles triangle is the second type of triangle in which 2 sides are equal. Scalene triangle is the third type of triangle classified under by its side, has no equal size. All the sides of the scalene triangle will differ in their measure, length of the measure. Now let us see triangle classified by its angle. Acute triangle, which means all the angles, how many angles will be in a triangle? 3 angles. All the 3 angles will be less than 90 degree. The measures of all the 3 angles in acute triangle will be less than 90 degree. Next category is right triangle. Here we have one of the angle which is equal to 90 degree. Among 3 angles, one angle will be equal to 90 degree. There we call that triangle as right triangle. Right triangle has one right angle. Next, obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle has one angle more than 90 degree. One of the angle of obtuse triangle will measure more than 90 degree. Then we call it as obtuse triangle. Medians of a triangle. A median of a triangle is the line segment that joins a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the side opposite to it. Okay, here you have to keep it in mind. We have to draw a line from a vertex to the midpoint of the side opposite to that vertex, and that line is called as median. Okay, a median of a triangle is the line segment that joins a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the side opposite to it. Okay, this is the triangle, and we know the vertex of the triangle. The first one is A, B and C or the vertex. Okay, now let us draw the line from a vertex to the midpoint. That midpoint should be opposite side to that vertex. Okay, let A be the vertex and B C the opposite side, and this point is the midpoint of BC. We have to draw line from vertex A to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex. This is the line, and this line is called as median. If you choose the vertex as A and the opposite side of A is BC, likewise Look at this triangle. Here also we have AB and C are vertices. Now, if you choose the vertex B, the opposite side of B is AC, and we have to connect a line from B to the midpoint of AC. This is the midpoint, and from B I am going to draw a line to connect the midpoint. It connected, and we call that line as median. Okay. Likewise, if you selected C as vertex, from C we have to draw midpoint. For this triangle, C opposite side is AB, and this is the midpoint. If you draw a line to this midpoint from C vertex, this is the median. This is the median. Therefore, 3 medians can be drawn in a triangle. There are 3 vertex. From 3 vertex, we can draw median to connect the opposite sides midpoint. Okay. Therefore, when 3 medians are drawn in a triangle, the meeting point of that medians is called a centroid. Altitudes of a triangle. An altitude of a triangle is a line segment that joins the vertex of a triangle to a point on the opposite side and is at right angles to it. Which means altitude is nothing but the height of the triangle. If you draw line from a vertex to the opposite side, that line should be perpendicular to that opposite side. Then we call it as altitude of a triangle. Let us see. This is acute triangle, this is right triangle, and this one is obtuse triangle. Let us draw altitude for each of this triangle. Let me take the first triangle, acute triangle. B as vertex. From B, I am drawing the line perpendicular to the side AC which meet at D. Okay. Here at D, we have right angle on both the sides of the line BD, which means AC at D. Okay. Now we move on to the right triangle. Here we have right angle at B vertex. I choose A vertex. From A I am going to draw altitude to the opposite side BC. If you draw altitude from A, the altitude coincide with the side AB. So, it is one of the side of the right triangle. The altitude will be the one of the side of the right triangle. If you draw altitude for obtuse triangle, let me choose C as vertex. From C, I am going to draw altitude. If you draw altitude from C vertex to the opposite side AB, we have to extend AB to meet the straight line at point D. Okay. So, for obtuse triangle, the altitude will be outside the triangle. Altitude line will be outside the triangle. 3 altitudes can be drawn in a triangle. Therefore, 3 altitudes can be drawn in a triangle. Angle sum property. The angle sum property states that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the triangle is 180 degree. The angle sum property says that the sum of the measures of the interior angles. How many angles will be there in a triangle? 3 angles. If you add them, we get 180 degree. This is the angle sum property statement. Proof of the angle sum property. Consider triangle ABC. Through A, draw LM. Let this is the triangle ABC, and through A, you have to draw line LM. that line should be parallel to the side BC of the triangle. That line should be parallel to the side BC of the triangle. In the triangle, we have three angles. Okay, angle A, angle B, and angle C. In the point A, in the line LM at point A, we have three angles. Angle 4, angle 1, angle 5. At point A, in the line LM, we have three angles, angle 4, angle 1, and angle 5. I say that angle 4 and angle 2 are equal. How? Yes, they are alternate interior angles. They are equal. So, let it be the equation 1. And also I say that angle 5 and angle 3 are equal. The same reason, they are also alternate interior angles and they are equal. This is the equation 2. And we have to add 1 and 2. The equation, two equations. On the left hand side, we have angle 4 and angle 5. On the right hand side, we have angle 2 and angle 3. So, we get angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. This is the equation 3. Now, we have to add angle 1 on both sides. Adding angle 1 on both sides, we get angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 on left hand side. And adding angle 1 on right hand side, we have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. And we know that angle in a straight line, sum of the angles in a straight line equal to 180 degrees. So, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, because angle 1, angle 4 and angle 5 are at A in a line LM. So, sum of angles in a straight line is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So, angle 1 is angle of A, angle 2 is angle of B, and angle 3 is angle of C. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Thus, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You have to keep it in mind these points. The first point is, if the sum of three given angles is less than or greater than 180 degree, then a triangle cannot be formed from those angles. You know that sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, which should be exactly equal to 180 degree. If the sum of the angles is less than 180 or greater than 180, we cannot form a triangle using that angles. And the second point, if two angles of a triangle are known, then its third angle can be calculated. If they have given any two of angles of a triangle, then we can find the third angle easily. Let us see an example 2. Find the measure of angle B in triangle ABC if angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle C is equal to 50 degree. What is the question here? Find the measure of angle B in triangle ABC if angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle C is equal to 50 degree. Two of the angles of a triangle is given and we have to find angle B. Let us move to the solution. The sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know very well that. So, sum of the angles in a triangle ABC is angle A plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. We know the values for angle A and angle C. Substitute the values. 60 degree plus 50 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Now add 60 and 50 degree. And adding we get 110 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 110 to right hand side. On transposing, it becomes angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. On subtracting, we get angle B is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, the third angle, angle B is equal to 70 degree. Example 3. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find their measure. Let us move on to the solution. Let the angles be x, 2x and 3x. We know that if the angles are given in ratios, there will be the common multiple. Let the multiple be x. We have to multiply each number with x. Okay, so let the angles be x, 2x and 3x. The sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know very well that. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree because x, 2x, 3x are the angles. So, we have to add them, and adding we get 180 degree. X plus 2x plus 3x is 6x, which is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 6 to right hand side. On transposing we get x equal to 30 degree. How? On dividing 180 by 6 we get x equal to 30 degree. Now we have to find value for 2x. So we have to multiply 30 into 2. 2x is equal to 2 into 30. So 2x is equal to 60 degree. Likewise we have to find value for 3x, the third angle, which is equal to 3 into 30 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the angles of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Exercise 11.1. Second Roman. Which of the following sets of angles can represent a triangle? Why? The first sum 40 degree, 40 degree, 100 degree. Three angles are given. How can we say that these angles can form a triangle? Okay, how to say? Yes, we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. In the question, they have given three angles. If you add them, if you get 180 degree, then these angles can represent a triangle. Let us move on to the solution. We have to add these three angles, given angles, which is 40 degree plus 40 degree plus 100 degree, and adding them we get 180 degree. As the sum of the given angles is equal to 180 degree, which satisfy the angle sum property of triangle. Therefore, the set of given angles can represent a triangle. Let us move on to the second sum. First angle is 105 degree, second one 45 degree, third angle 90 degree. Let us find the solution for this. The same way, we have to add the angles, and adding 105 plus 45 plus 90, we get 240 degree. But we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. As the sum of the given angles is greater than 180 degree, which does not satisfy the angle sum property of triangle. Therefore, the set of given angles cannot represent a triangle. Third sum. Calculate the third angle of the following triangles. Okay. The first one is angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to 30 degree. Two angles are given. We have to find the third angle of the triangle. Let us move on to the solution. We know the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the angles in a triangle will be angle A plus angle C plus angle B equal to 180 degree. So, on adding them, we get 180 degree. Let us substitute angle A and angle C values here. On substituting, we get 90 degree plus 30 degree plus angle B equal to 180 degree. And adding 90 and 30, we get 120 degree. 120 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 120 degree to right side. On transposing, we get angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. On subtracting 180 degree minus 120 degree, we get angle B is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle B, which is the third angle of the triangle, which is equal to 60 degree. Third sum, angle Y is equal to 73 degree, angle Z equal to 37 degree. Let us move on to the solution. The sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know very well that. And here we have to find the third angle, which is angle X. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180 degree according to the angle sum property. Now we have to substitute values for angle Y and angle Z. On substituting, we get angle X plus 73 degree plus 37 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to add 73 plus 37. Now adding, we get 110 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Now transpose 110 degree to right hand side. On transposing, we get angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. On subtracting, we get 70 degree. Therefore, the third angle, which is angle X, is equal to 70 degree. Fourth sum, find the value of X in each of the following. Second sum, this is the figure given. The figure is a triangle and the angles are given here. X plus 10, 3x, x plus 20. Angles are given in variable. Measure of angles are given in variable. We have to find the value of the variable X here. Let us move on to the solution. Given angles are x plus 10, 3x and x plus 20. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Let us add the angles. X plus 10 plus 3x plus x plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. And adding variables, we get 5x, and adding 10 and 20, we get 30. So 5x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 30 to right hand side. On transposing, we get 5x is equal to 180 degree minus 30. On subtracting, we get 150 degree. On subtracting 180 minus 30, we get 150 degree. So 5x is equal to 150 degree. Now transpose 5 to right hand side. On transposing, get x is equal to 150 divided by 5. On dividing 150 by 5, we get 30 degree. X is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 30 degree. Fifth sum, in triangle ABC, the ratio of the angles 3:5:10. Find their measures. We have to find the angles, and the angles are given in ratio. So, let the given angles be 3x, 5x and 10x. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We have to add the angles. Therefore, 3x plus 5x plus 10x is equal to 180 degree. And adding left hand side, we get 18x. 18x is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 18 to right hand side, we get x is equal to 10 degree. How? On dividing 180 by 18, we get 10 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 10 degree. We have to find the measures of the angle. The first one is 3x. So, we have to multiply 3 and 10 because the value of x is 10. So, 3 into 10 degree, get 30 degree. The next angle is 5x. So, we have to multiply 5 and 10. On multiplying, we get 50 degree. Then the next angle is 10x. We have to multiply 10 and 10. On multiplying, we get 100 degree. Therefore, the angles of the triangle are 30 degree, 50 degree and 100 degree. Thank you, students.